hi there. So welcome back to my YouTube channel a brother underscore with me Zega. So untuk video kali ini I gonna share you guys kenapa kita harus belajar bahasa Inggris or why we have to learn English. So to talk about English, do you guys ever think like why do I have to learn English? Do I need English? Gitu. Emang sebetulnya bahasa Inggris tuh penting gak sih? Nah, dari sini nih guys kita bakal bahas. So basically bicara masalah bahasa Inggris sendiri nih teman-teman, I think we probably realize that bahasa Inggris itu sendiri telah menjadi bahasa pengantar yang telah dipakai secara global atau secara mendunia. Tapi sayangnya nggak semua orang nih teman-teman yang merasakan bahwasannya bahasa Inggris itu is important. So at the end of the story banyak orang yang merasakan kayak I regret I didn't learn English at that time. So we can say like penyesalan selalu datang di akhir. But it's okay, everything is fine. So here I would like to give you some reasons why we have to learn English. Jadi ada beberapa alasan dari aku kepada teman-teman sekalian kenapa kita mesti belajar bahasa Inggris. So let's see what we have. Guys, alasan yang pertama why we have to learn English, kenapa kita mesti belajar bahasa Inggris, yaitu English is as language spoken worldwide. Nah, it's been clear right guys. Bahasa Inggris itu menjadi salah satu bahasa yang mana sebagai pengantar bahasa di seluruh dunia atau secara global. I think it linked to what I have explained before. Kayak bahasa Inggris itu udah menjadi bahasa yang universal, yang mana seluruh orang di dunia itu untuk mempersatukan satu sama lain sebagai international echelon itu harus menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Ya walaupun basically it's not our mother tongue language. That's it. And for the second one guys, you're gonna love it. English will open up the opportunities and possibilities for because kita bisa ketahui bahwasanya English itu menjadi salah satu pembuka atau kunci untuk membuka lebih kesempatan atau kemungkinan ketika kita dalam jenjang karir. Nah, mungkin ini juga berkaitan dengan video saya yang sebelumnya, as international students or why we study abroad, kan kita juga menggunakan bahasa Inggris gitu kan ya. We actually as the language instruction is English, right? Nah, sebagai bahasa pengantar di kampus internasional itu ada bahasa Inggris, so we have the capability to speak English as well, dan itu bakal memudahkan kita dalam career. Nah, seperti penjelasan sebelumnya. Dan kali ini itu untuk belajar bahasa Inggris, it will make us easier to open or to gain many opportunities or possibilities in career. That's it. We can imagine guys like we're gonna apply or enroll to some companies abroad like in Japan, in Germany, or even in United States. Ketika kita mau apply gitu sebagai bahasa ketika interview, misalnya at least interview, di sana bakal language instruction-nya nggak bakal our mother language atau mother tongue language. It even will be English, fully English. Nah, maka dari itu English is important begitu. Let's see what we have for the last but not least guys. English is fun, or English so much fun language. I think it can be so much difficult, or it will be the trouble for some people. I think that's a common sense. Tapi let's say or let's think for our future, what future will bring for us guys. Let's say like many people or many kids at this present, they are learning English from game or from music. They are listening to the music or from radio, from newspaper. Jadi kayak kita belajar bahasa Inggris itu, why we call that is a fun language or is fun to learn, karena banyak many ways to learn English or to master English itself. Kayak yang saya bilang tadi, kita bisa we don't have to attend any courses or private school to master English. We can just listen to the music or listen to the radio, reading some newspaper or textbooks, or also you can subscribe some newsletter in something like Jakarta Post or another newsletters online. So guys, at the end of the words, I just would like to tell that English is so much fun because I'm the one of the evidence of it. I was to be like you too. But I realized that English will open up many opportunities and possibilities as what I have explained. So that's for me. These are 3 reasons why we have to learn English. Hope you guys you can integrate what I have just explained into your life or into your society. So support me through my YouTube channel brother underscore, and then you can just get in touch with me through my Instagram fikrizega underscore. So see you in the next video.